Living in a small home or tiny apartment can make clutter build up faster than you expect. One messy drawer turns into crowded counters, and suddenly the whole space feels tighter than it should. But sometimes you don't need a bigger home, you just need smarter storage. In this video, we're exploring clever Amazon finds designed to reduce clutter and maximize every inch of space. And if something catches your eye, you'll find all the product links waiting for you down in the description below. Let's get started. Opening the lineup with a simple upgrade that instantly frees up valuable bedside space. This bedside wall organizer neatly hangs along the bed frame or dorm bunk, creating multiple pockets for everyday essentials like phones, books, glasses, or chargers. This design keeps everything within arm's reach without cluttering nightstands or small desks. This compact organizer is especially helpful in dorm rooms, studio apartments, or tight bedrooms where space is limited. Most versions typically cost around $10 to $20. Right after that, this leak-proof food storage container set helps bring instant order to messy refrigerators and crowded kitchen cabinets. These containers seal tightly to prevent spills while keeping leftovers, meal prep, or snacks neatly organized and easy to stack. This clear design allows you to quickly see what's inside without opening every lid. This stackable structure also maximizes fridge and pantry space while reducing food clutter. Most sets typically range around $20 to $40. Moving right along, this comforter storage bag offers a surprisingly effective solution for bulky bedding that usually takes up far too much closet space. This spacious zippered bag neatly compresses comforters, blankets, and seasonal bedding into a compact form that easily slides under beds or onto shelves. This reinforced handles also make lifting and moving stored bedding far easier. This simple storage solution instantly clears closet clutter while protecting fabrics from dust. Most versions usually sell for around $15 to $30. Now here's a kitchen upgrade that can completely transform messy cabinets. This adjustable pots and pans organizer creates dedicated slots that neatly separate cookware instead of stacking everything in unstable piles. This vertical arrangement keeps lids, skillets, and saucepans easy to access without pulling out half the cabinet. This structure also prevents scratches while making kitchen storage far more efficient. This simple rack can instantly turn chaotic cabinets into a well-organized cooking space. Most models typically cost around $20 to $40. Up next comes a clever solution for those narrow cabinet gaps that usually go wasted. This pull-out spice rack organizer slides smoothly in and out, revealing neatly arranged spice jars in a slim vertical layout. This design makes it easy to find the exact seasoning you need without digging through crowded shelves. This compact rack fits perfectly between cabinets or inside tight pantry spaces. This upgrade keeps cooking essentials visible while dramatically reducing kitchen clutter. Most versions typically range around $30 to $50. Continuing right along, this stainless steel toothbrush organizer brings order to cluttered bathroom countertops. This sleek holder separates toothbrushes, toothpaste, and small hygiene items into neat compartments that keep everything standing upright and easy to reach. This rust-resistant stainless steel design stays durable in humid bathroom environments. This organizer also helps keep sinks looking cleaner by preventing scattered toiletries. This small upgrade can instantly tidy daily essentials while maintaining a minimalist bathroom look. Most options typically cost around $10 to $20. Shifting gears a bit, this wine glass storage box protects delicate glassware while freeing up valuable cabinet space. This padded storage case features individual compartments that safely hold multiple wine glasses without risk of chipping or scratching. This sturdy structure makes it ideal for seasonal storage, moving, or organizing special occasion glassware. This stackable design also keeps fragile items protected while maximizing shelf space. This organizer helps maintain a clutter-free kitchen while keeping glassware neatly stored. Most versions usually sell for around $20 to $40. Keeping that organized kitchen momentum going, these China storage hardshell containers offer reliable protection for valuable dinnerware. These reinforced cases feature padded dividers that safely store plates, bowls, and serving dishes without risk of damage. This structured design allows multiple containers to stack neatly inside cabinets or closets. This is especially helpful for holiday dishes or fine china that only comes out on special occasions. This solution keeps fragile kitchen items secure while freeing everyday cabinet space. Most sets usually range around $30 to $60. Now let's tackle one of the biggest clutter zones inside any home: messy clothing drawers. These drawer organizers create structured compartments that neatly separate socks, underwear, and folded garments. This simple grid system prevents clothing from mixing together every time a drawer is opened. This also makes it far easier to see everything at a glance instead of digging through piles. This upgrade helps keep closets organized while saving time during busy mornings. Most sets typically cost around $15 to $30. Now moving on with something incredibly practical for compact homes. This tri-folding foam mattress provides a comfortable sleeping solution that easily folds away when not in use. This design transforms from a compact cushion into a full guest mattress within seconds. This makes it perfect for studio apartments, guest rooms, or small living spaces that need flexible sleeping arrangements. This foldable structure stores neatly in closets while staying ready whenever needed. Most versions typically cost around $70 to $150. And hey, if any of these smart space-saving finds caught your eye, you'll find every product link waiting for you right down in the description below. Now here's a simple upgrade that can instantly tame messy shelves. These shelf dividers slide directly onto closet or cabinet shelves to create clear sections for clothing, towels, or stacked linens. This prevents piles from tipping over while keeping everything neatly separated and easy to grab. This is especially useful in small closets where vertical space needs to stay organized. This simple divider system keeps shelves looking clean and structured every day. Most sets typically cost around $15 to $30. Next up comes a surprisingly modern upgrade for everyday bathroom organization. This automatic bathroom trash can uses a smart motion sensor lid that opens instantly when your hand approaches. This touchless design helps maintain better hygiene while keeping bathroom waste discreetly contained. This sleek, compact shape fits neatly beside toilets or vanities without taking up much space. This also helps bathrooms look cleaner and more organized overall. Most models typically range around $25 to $50. Now here's something small that solves one of the most common everyday clutter problems. This magnetic key holder wall mount creates a dedicated entryway spot for keys, wallets, and small essentials. This strong magnetic strip securely holds metal items while the built-in hooks store additional keys or accessories. This small tray also provides a place for coins or sunglasses. This compact organizer keeps entryways tidy while preventing the daily hunt for misplaced keys. Most options usually cost around $15 to $25. Rolling right into the kitchen again, this clever 360-degree coffee mug holder helps free up valuable cabinet space. This rotating stand holds multiple mugs vertically while spinning smoothly so each cup stays easy to reach. This design prevents mugs from stacking awkwardly or overcrowding shelves. This also turns a simple coffee corner into a more organized and visually appealing setup. This compact stand keeps mugs displayed while reducing cabinet clutter. Most versions typically sell for around $20 to $35. Meanwhile, this handheld steam cleaner helps eliminate grime, grease, and buildup that often makes homes feel messy even after cleaning. This powerful steam loosens dirt from kitchen surfaces, bathroom tiles, grout lines, and appliances. This compact cleaner reaches tight spaces that traditional tools struggle to handle. This helps restore a cleaner and fresher looking home with minimal effort. Most models typically cost around $40 to $80. Keeping the bathroom organization going, this corner shower caddy makes perfect use of often wasted shower corners. This tiered rack neatly stores shampoo bottles, conditioners, soaps, and other bath essentials in one vertical space. This rust-resistant design stays durable in humid environments while keeping products easy to reach. This setup prevents bottles from cluttering tub edges or shower floors. This instantly makes the shower area feel cleaning and more organized. Most versions usually range around $20 to $40. Let's keep the momentum going with something perfect for utility rooms or garages. This broom holder wall mount creates an organized storage station for cleaning tools like brooms, mops, and dusters. This spring-loaded grips hold handles securely while keeping them upright and off the floor. This prevents cleaning tools from leaning awkwardly in corners or closets. This simple organizer instantly frees up floor space while keeping tools easy to grab. Most versions typically cost around $15 to $25. Up next is a kitchen essential that quietly solves countertop chaos. This large dish drying rack organizes plates, bowls, utensils, and cups in one structured drying station. This multi-section design keeps dishes upright for better airflow and faster drying. This also prevents wet dishes from spreading across the counter. This compact rack helps kitchens stay tidy even after busy meal prep or family dinners. Most models usually range around $30 to $60. Now here's a clever way to transform cluttered coffee stations. This coffee maker countertop organizer creates dedicated storage for coffee pods, cups, sugar packets, and stirring spoons. This tiered structure keeps everything neatly arranged around the coffee machine instead of scattered across counters. This also helps create a tidy little coffee bar setup at home. This organizer makes morning routines smoother while keeping kitchen counters looking clean. Most options typically cost around $20 to $40. And finally, wrapping up the lineup with this acrylic belt organizer, it brings clean structure to crowded closet drawers. This clear organizer separates belts into individual compartments so each one stays visible and easy to access. This prevents belts from tangling together or piling up in drawers. This transparent acrylic design also gives closets a neat, minimalist look. This small organizer makes daily outfit selection faster while keeping wardrobes clutter-free. Most versions usually cost around $15 to $30. And that brings us to the end of these 20 clever Amazon finds designed to help declutter your home. From smart kitchen organizers and bathroom storage solutions to space-saving upgrades for closets and small apartments, each of these products helps make everyday spaces feel cleaner and far more organized. If something caught your eye, you'll find all the product links waiting for you down in the description below.